In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Quora. If you want to view Quora in a different language, the good news is that the process is very quick and straightforward. You can do it directly from the Quora website in just a few clicks. As we go through this, make sure you're already on the Quora homepage and signed in if needed, so you can follow along smoothly. To begin, look at the top of the page for the language icon. This usually appears as a globe icon, and it's the main place Quora uses for language-related settings. Once you find that globe icon, click on it. This will open the language menu, where Quora shows a few available language options right away. After the menu opens, look for the option that says See All Languages. Go ahead and click that. This is useful if the language you want isn't visible in the smaller menu at first. Clicking this option will take you to a more complete list where you can browse all of the languages Quora currently supports. Now that you're on the language settings page, find your preferred language from the list and select it. Take a moment to choose carefully, especially if several languages look similar or use related regional variations. Once you click your preferred option, Quora will begin applying that language setting for your account or session. After you make your selection, wait for Quora to reload in the selected language. This part may take a few seconds depending on your connection speed and browser. Once the page refreshes, the site interface should appear in the language you chose. That includes menus, navigation labels, and other on-screen text, making the platform easier to use in the language you prefer. If the page doesn't seem to update right away, give it another moment or refresh the page manually. In most cases though, Quora will switch automatically as soon as you select the new language. And that's all it takes to change the language in Quora. Just click the globe icon at the top of the page, choose See All Languages, and then select the language you want. It's a simple setting, but it can make a big difference in how comfortable and convenient the platform feels to use. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you update your Quora language settings quickly and easily.